Dear students, welcome to the physics class. Today we will discuss an important topic, potential energy of an electric dipole in an electric field. Okay, now suppose these parallel lines represent uniform electric field whose direction is from left to right, and we place an electric dipole in it. Okay, we place an electric dipole in it which makes theta angle with the direction of electric field. Then two equal and opposite forces works on it which try to align electric dipole in the direction of electric field. Okay, two equal and opposite forces makes a torque. So we can say a torque is working on an electric dipole which try to align electric dipole in the direction of electric field. Okay, and a torque is working on an electric dipole which try to align electric dipole in the direction of electric field. Okay, like this. Now, if we want to rotate this electric dipole through a small angle d theta against the direction of electric field. Okay, if we want to rotate this electric dipole through a small angle d theta. Okay, if you want to rotate this electric dipole through a small angle d theta like this against the direction of electric field, then we have to do small amount of work. And the value of small amount of work will be dw is equal to tau d theta. Okay, now the total work done in rotating the dipole from orientation theta 1 to theta 2. If this angle is theta 1 and this angle is theta 2, and we want to rotate this electric dipole from orientation theta 1 to theta 2, okay, theta 1 to theta 2 like this. This angle is theta 1 and this is angle theta 2. We want to rotate electric dipole, then the total work done will be W is equal to integration theta 1 to theta 2 dW. Now dW is equal to tau d theta from here. Now tau is the torque on an electric dipole placed in a uniform electric field, and we know from previous discussion tau is equal to Pe sin theta. Okay, now P is electric dipole moment which is a constant term. E is electric field. Okay, and the value of it, since electric field is uniform, so that means E and E are constant term. So it comes out Pe in bracket theta 1 integration theta 1 to theta 2 sin theta d theta. Now from maths, integration sin theta is equal to minus cos theta. This is a mathematical formula. Integration sin theta is equal to minus cos theta, theta 1 to theta 2. Okay, now Pe in bracket cos theta, theta 1 to theta 2. Now write this. Okay, now write this and first replace theta by theta 2. Okay, then use minus sign. Then again write this, but this time replace theta by theta 1. Okay, in this way we solve this. Okay, we write first this minus cos theta, but we replace theta by theta 2 first, then minus, then use minus sign, and again write this minus cos theta, but replace this time theta by theta 1. Okay, now minus minus becomes plus, so we get Pe cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Okay, so this work done. Now the work done in the uniform, the work done in an electric dipole, rotating electric dipole from orientation theta 1 to theta 2, stored in the electric dipole as potential energy. Okay, rotating electric dipole from orientation theta 1 to theta 2, this work done stored in the electric dipole as potential energy. So it becomes U is equal to Pe cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Okay, now case 1. If theta 1 is equal to 0 degree, that means initially this electric dipole is aligned along the direction of electric field. Okay, so that means if theta 1 is equal to 0 degree means initially this electric dipole is aligned along the direction of electric field. Okay, theta 1 is equal to 0 degree, then PE here cos 0, the value of cos 0 is equal to 1 minus cos theta 2. Okay, PE cos 0 is equal to 1 minus cos theta 2. Okay, now in case second, if theta 1 is equal to 90 degree, if initially electric dipole makes 90 degree, initially this electric dipole makes 90 degree with the direction of uniform electric field, then PE, it becomes PE cos 90 minus cos theta 2. The value of cos 90 is 0. Okay, so it becomes PE 0 minus cos theta 2, that is minus PE cos theta 2, and we know the dot product, we can write it minus P dot E. Okay, so this topic is done and it is very important for the exam prospective. Okay, thank you.